Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you, man. Another day in the market. Another day to go, man. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Spend some time with your family, loved ones, and friends. But Monday is back to the trade. Um, what is it now, man? What's May the 19th, almost June. So y'all got another 6.5 months to get this right before it be 2026. So almost halfway, finish up strong. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel also. About to go give ourselves a raise like every day. Market pulled back a little bit today. Something with the United States debt, federal debt, the interest rate went up or something with that, man. I really didn't pay it like any mind. I just see the notification about it. That's what's all the riffraff about right now going on. But we still gonna buy these dividend stocks, growth stocks still up and high, so I didn't see it affect that any. But see, the market is still down, so we about to go in and like I say, give ourselves a raise. Let's go in and get to it, man. All right. All right, I'm gonna go with Ticker Man. I'm going with RPT. Going to get this out the way. Had a buy order come on through. It's gonna be a swing trade. It's gonna go back above the $3 mark. This is a REIT, 8.73% yield. 52-week low 228 with a high 386. I'm going today at 271, lowering my average cost. Get 2 shares, 2.71, 417, $2.71. When they hit that 250, I'm gonna start to get 5 if it pulls back that much. All right, let's go on and get Western Union. Take advantage of this below the $10 mark, about a 9.5% yield. $3 worth of that. Come on down. All right, ticker OPI. Once I told y'all to stay out of. I brought the extra 3,000 shares at these prices. I'm gonna swing trade this. It does have a 17.12% yield. It's a REIT. You got to pay 90% of its taxable income out to shareholders and dividends. I'm looking for a reverse stock split. I plan on selling these shares at like 31 cents or 41 cents when it go up. These 3,000 shares that I just brought. Take, make a couple dollars. Buying at 21, 21, 22 bucks, make 9 cents a share. If I sell, well, what it is now? Well, if I sell at 31 cents, yeah, like 9 to 10, 8 to 10 cents a share. If I let it ride at 41 cents, and that'd be an extra 10 on top. But I'm looking to say the swing trade between 31 and 41 cents a share. These shares I just brought. So that way I make a couple dollars, and I can rinse and repeat if it come on down. If it keep riding, that is good. I got an average cost right now 46 cents. So if it keep riding and go past that, that'd be great. But once I exit out of this, I'm going to be done with it. But this one I probably tell y'all to stay out of. It's risky. There's better places to put your money during the time. I put it like right here, OXSQ. Down to $2.43, paid 3.5 cents a share month dividend. I put it here rather than risk it going with OPI. Like I said, unless you risky and want to do a swing trade, buying at 20 cents, waiting for the interest rate cuts to get cut and might go up and surpass a dollar mark, then you can make some money then. But if you don't want to take that risk and want to hold it, just stay out of it. Finally got my 1,000 shares of OXSQ. I just went and brought 73 shares at $2.44. Didn't want to risk it just in case it started to go up above the $2.50 mark. I'm at $2.56 right now with 1,000 shares. So I'm about to go in right now and get me some more. Now I got my 1,000 shares. Just nibbling, get me two to three shares a day now that is down. I already got my 1,000. Thinking about getting more, but I'ma see. I'm gonna go with GOOY. Also pays out monthly. There's options on Google. Trading at 12.01. I'm at 13.02. Go back to buying dollars, fractional shares. Pays out a nice monthly dividend. Also doesn't pay as much as the rest of the yield maxes, but something to have if you like Google. If you trade Google, GOOY is one for you to have to pair it with. QYLD. I know I like this at 16 and under. This coming on down. I already got my 1,000 shares. Well, QYLD I like at 17 and under. I'm sorry. Pay a 17-cent dividend right now. RYLD also pays out monthly, doing about 14.5 cents a share at the price it's trading at. It's about 16 and under. I already got my 1,000 shares. I need to get my 1,000 in the QYLD. So when that comes on down, I'm gonna definitely go and get that. XYLD. This does cover calls on the S&P 500. This a buy for me at $40 and under. We'll go get some more of that. No, but these all are Global X funds. I like SDIV also. So I pair those four together. My average cost is $25. So just bringing it on down. QYLD, RYLD, XYLD with SDIV. Those are four nice ETFs, high yielders. If you just want to go that route instead of doing single stocks and REITs, those four I would go with. You can make some yield maxes into it. They're more volatile, falls on the price appreciation and depreciation. But yeah. HPP. It's Pacific. This another REIT. Y'all can stay out of it. I'm swing trading my way on out of this one too. Why am I buying this? Because I'm stuck in it. Dividend yield 4.81%. 52-week low, $18.88 with a high of $6.28. Man, you got upside about $4 a share if it goes back to that. So right now I'm just loading up. This gonna go back above the $3 mark. Once it does, I'm gonna sell all of these shares I'm getting cheap. I'm a scalper, whatever, however many shares I got. If I got 150 shares that I brought at the $2.50 and under mark or $3, whatever it is mark, I'm gonna sell it once it get past the $3 mark, about that $3.20ish. I'm gonna sell all those for that price, make a couple dollars, and let the rest ride and collect that dividend while I'm doing it. CHPT, ChargePoint. They done been getting beat down, or not beat down. They actually been doing good. Going at 67 cents. This one I planned on holding to 2027. 5 shares, 0.67. So I'm accumulating at these prices. I get 5 shares every day. Help ride and push it up. Average cost $1.14 now. I'm gonna go with ORC. This one for you to get 12 cents a share month REIT. I got my 1,000 shares. So I just get $3 a day of it. Just dollar cost average down into it. Fiat is definitely one I'm buying right now. I like it's the inverse of Coinbase. All right, back with Fiat. Like I say, this is the inverse of Coinbase. I buy 2 shares a day in my Webull portfolio, and I just dollar cost average in on this one. So how does work? When Coinbase is up, Fiat going to be down. When Coinbase is down, Fiat going to be up. So if you're going to trade Fiat, make sure you get Coinbase or get Coney, CONY, doing options on it. So you can see when Coney or Coinbase is up, you go buy the Fiat. When Coney or Coinbase is down, when Coney or Coinbase is up, you buy the Fiat. When Fiat is up, you buy the Coney or the Coinbase. I mean, because it's going to be down. It's the opposite. It's the inverse. All right, gonna go with ticker RC. This one you can get. Ready Capital, BDC. Definitely getting beat up. $3 a day in that. Lowering my average cost. And Nice dividend payer too. It's a double-digit yielder. Pays out quarterly though, not monthly. AGNC. We're gonna go right here. This pays 12 cents a share month. Also, I like this at 9.20 and under. I'm just piecing it together, working to get my 1,000 shares in this portfolio here. I'm at 298. I had over 1,000 in my week, but I sold it and took profits because I was too overweight in it. And I said I got it in my Cash App portfolio too, and this one and in another one. So at least I got out of that one just in case something drastic happen, like a dividend cut or something. So I don't be upside down up in it. Hold on 1 second. Do not disturb. Got my cameras going off, so got the trash man outside. All right. Gonna go with VTRS, Viatris. Take advantage of $9 and under. This a buy and hold stock here. Lower the average cost, $5 of that. You know, they'll spin off from Pfizer. I'm gonna go with Medifast, MED. This one y'all can stay out of. This a weight loss stock. I'm already in it, so trade myself up out of it. I'm gonna sell these shares at 17 and over. It's one I'm gonna be holding for a while. But it'll be all right. GOGL. Like this at $8 and under. That's a marine dry shipping company. See if it's gonna come down some more, but it got a 52-week high of 1577, 52-week low 627. P ratio 7.22, undervalued 13.03% yield, pays out quarterly. Ticker DX, Dynex Capital, 17 cents a share a month. Definitely want to buy. You got 2 TWO is a REIT, getting beat down also. Trying to lower the average cost and accumulate or start a position. Gonna go with ARR, Armor Residential REIT, 24 cents a share a month. Definitely a must have. This gonna go, I like this at 19 and under. This gonna go back above the $18 mark, at least that. Like I said, once the interest rate cuts and stuff get situated. We go land, LAND, Gladstone Land. Easiest way to own land if you want to get into it. They rent out land to farmers. It's gonna be a nice swing trade. Dividend yield not that high, 5.72. I can put my money in RYLD, QYLD, XYLD, like those, and get a high dividend yield or double that yield. But it is what it is for now. Gonna go with NLY, annually. It's definitely a REIT to have. Trading at 1970. We're gonna go with Nike. We'll give y'all a growth stock there. Nike down today. This one I'm also gonna exit. Getting out the food and the apparel industry. Got a lot of competition. Nike trading at $62. See if it's gonna go back below the $60 range. I can start doing $10 a day. And we're gonna go KHC. Kraft Foods, Kraft Heinz. I like this at 29 and under. All right. Another one got to get BGS Foods. All right, this is a food one. Like I said, I'm trying to exit, but it is at a bargain. It's low. Stay out of it, man. Just stay out of it. Like I said, I'm gonna trade myself up out of it, collect that dividend while I'm doing it, and make my exit. Let's get some USOI options on oil. I like a 22% dividend yield. I like this at 63 and under. Pays out monthly. Let's go look at his brother. I like to call it USOY. Another one does options on, pays out monthly too. Get Granite Point, GPMT. Another REIT getting beat down. Y'all stay out of this one. 8.1% yield. 52-week low, $1.61, a high $3.66. So you got some upside to it. I'm gonna trade my way up out of this one. It's gonna be another one I'm gonna dump. Let's go with HRZN, still in buy range. Horizon. Got to get this 11 cent a share a month, especially at the price it's trading at. I already got my 1,000 shares, so I just get $3 a day of it. PFLT, pending it float, 10 cent a share. That's gonna go back past the $11 range. $3 worth of that. Let's take a look at ABR, another REIT. Like I say, this gonna take off. $10.17, pay a quarterly dividend, 34 cents a share. Let's check out GSBD, Goldman Sachs BDC, pays out quarterly, nice dividend. Take advantage of this too. All right. Let's see, SHD. Let's go look at Wendy's real quick. We can wrap this trade up. No, Wendy's probably green today, but still in buy range. Yep, 12.30. It's a nice swing trade there, especially that stock go back to $17. All right, let's go check out traps. PSEC coming down. I want that in around about the 355 range. So not tripping on that. Legging and Platt down 3.51%. We'll let that come down some more. They say we could still experience some volatility this summer for the market. Like I say, you can't spend everything. They only got to pause China and US with them tariffs on hold for 90 days. Don't know what's gonna happen after that. So you want to cash up a little bit still. Yeah, and that's like I said, I'm going for dividends, man. So when times get rough, at least I get paid for holding these shares, and let the dividends buy those growth stocks when they come down, if they come down in my buy range. So that's my whole plan. IBR is one I need to come down in too. This is a nice REIT, nice buy it, especially at $8 and under. Going to piece this together. This is probably one I'm gonna get out of. IVR, why am I buying it? 19.95% yield, 52-week low, 586, high 997. $505 million market cap. But this one I'm gonna exit too. I think they cut their dividend. I'm gonna swap that out with Annaly Capital, ticker NLY. Like I said, a lot of these REITs, I think the REIT sector in the future gonna catch hell anyway. Like a lot of these up and coming generation, they don't want to work. So if you're not collecting rent and real estate, man, gonna be kind of hard for you to survive. This is a nice one here. RINC. It's a real estate ETF, 52-week low, 1786 with a high of 2538. Got like a 10% dividend yield. Not a bad one to add to your portfolio, especially at these prices. I like it at 22 and under. Gonna let TSLY, AIYYs, let them come on down some more. IWMY is down. That's one you can get. YMAX, thought about getting some of that today too. We're gonna see how the market go. I'm gonna get the IWMY, that pay out weekly. 24.33. A little $5 worth. And if you want to go get some YMAX, won't be a bad buy. I had that $13.86, $16. You just gonna go back probably to the $17 range. 11.21 is the low. So since I'm here, I grabbed something, but I want to load up on the ULT where I brought 5 shares at $6.11 in my other portfolio. So that's it, man. Signing off. Y'all enjoy your day. Stay safe out there. Crazy world we in. Signing off. Go get your money.